All right, we just got home. What are we about to do?
Pick potatoes. Harvest potatoes.
About to go pick all of our potatoes. All of our plants are ready to be picked. I think they're done. So let's go see how many potatoes we get. Yeah, go in.
Oh, the potatoes are right here. Huh? Oh, I see them.
They all are done producing. Okay.
That has an ant pie on it.
Oh yeah, don't mess with that one. I'll get that one. What are you doing? You want to get? You can get one. Get the tomato. Oh no. You don't want to get it? Get it. You can get one.
I got a potato, Mom.
Yay! You got a tomato. You can come show me?
I found one.
Oh, good job. Thank you. Want to help Aubrey and Rylan get the potatoes? Just watch for ants.
Holy cow!
Ooh, that's a good one.
Red one though, Mom.
Yep, they're all red potatoes. You want to help?
Mom, that big one.
Ooh, that's another good one. You gotta dig deep. Where's your shovel? Did you not get it? Look, come here, Rinley. Come here. You wanna help?
I think it might be dead. Where is it?
Rinley, come here. Come here. You wanna get this one?
Look what I found.
There's a potato.
I got a polka-dotted one.
Eat that potato. Go put it in the bucket.
Why'd you put the plants in there? That's a potato.
Yay! Good job. Can you get another one?
I found a root.
You gotta dig down. These are all pretty good size.
Oh, geez.
Think I can make it with my left hand? Let's see. Oh, Rylan, you messed me up.
What?
Oh, and then the carrots.
Are we gonna harvest the carrots?
No, not today.
Oh, I see one. He's right here. There's so many. They're biting me.
Yeah, watch for ants. I don't see any ants over here though. Just don't go over there. We'll get those in a little bit. Here, pull this plant up.
Like they're in my shoe.
Ooh, look at all those potatoes.
Yeah, yummy, yummy.
Oh. Hey, what'd you get? Are you picking the tomatoes? Okay, let me have it. Oh, thank you. Yay!
Tomatoes.
Look, now we have two.
Tomatoes and potatoes are different.
1, 2. You want to hold those? Okay, you hold those. We got quite a bit.
So many potatoes.
There might be a few more in here, but there's some ants right here. In the oh, there are a few more right here. That's where the ants were. So I'll have to come back out and get those. And Renly had a mosquito water. So
I think there's another one on
is that what's on her head right now? Let's see.
I'll kill it.
Ah, they are loving you. So we're gonna get Renly out of the garden with these crazy mosquitoes.
And don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe and like this video.
Woohoo! Okay, it's the next day. I had to delete some stuff off my phone to make more memory to finish this video, but I did want to show you guys how many potatoes we ended up getting. We washed them last night and let them dry overnight, so we got quite a few. I think that was 6 potato plants because we had already harvested a few, so I think this was 6. It might have been 8 plants, but we got quite a few potatoes. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with all of them, or I don't know. I don't really know how long potatoes last. We normally eat them before they go bad, but this is a lot of potatoes. There they are. Yum. So yeah, it seems like a lot of potatoes, but we have family and friends and neighbors, so nothing ever goes to waste around here. We are going to try to get better at taking more videos. The kids love doing it. So if you want to follow along, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.